Hello guys, I'm back again today. It's not with a mukbang, but it's hot dog instead of the hot dogs, and I am going to test these, and I'm gonna let y'all know how hot dog etc. do. And then here is some fries. I don't know how many pounds. I'm not into that. And then here's a drink and one pack of thing, but I'm not worried about that. So I'm getting into the video, guys. And by the way, my mom bought this for me and my sister. And as y'all can tell, I know things get blurry, but this is the hot dog. And I'm gonna give y'all my actual ratings of this hot dog. And I haven't eaten some of the fries, but it's alright. And then I just decided to come on here and do it anyway. Since my mom had bought it, I was like, well, I'm not doing anything, so just sit down and record a video. Did you want to be in the video?
Oh, all right.
Okay, you already eat. Okay. That was my sister, guys. I'm still eating. I'll give y'all my ratings probably after I get finished with this hot dog. Mommy. And I'm sorry that they didn't have the logo on the container. And everybody knows if you go to Hot Dog Center, you get a bag like this. Like this one. And just to let y'all know too, I'm not no big heavy eater. I'm actually getting full. Even though I know y'all probably be like, this just a little small bite. Yeah, it is, but I'm getting full. But if I'm gonna rate this hot dog, I rate it a 10 for my taste buds. Everybody's taste buds is different. Chili was on point, cheese was on point, bun was on point. And if you decide to, in any area of your state, town, wherever you live, and if you decide to want to get something fast and quick, I'm not saying I recommend hot dog, etc., but it's other fast food chains out here too, but this is one of the ones that I'll go to. I got another one right here. Okay. And I'm already 4 minutes in. I'm 4 minutes in, and I'm about to cut the video short. But first, before I cut it short, I ate some of these fries, if you can tell. The fries are good, hot, seasoned correctly. It's, you know, y'all know when you drink Sprite, it's very, very zesty. Because it's made from a lemon and a lime situation besides water. But I'm going to cut this video short, and I hope and pray that y'all like the little short thing that I done. And everybody, I don't have to worry about saying stay safe, stay healthy, because we don't care nothing about this. But I want everyone to have a blessed rest of the day, afternoon, morning, noon, whatever area or country that you at. I just came on to do this for a short video of I was bored. Bye.